Okay, once you're done with your opinion piece, I will send this information to you. Okay, you need to do analysis on composition, right? Okay, so what you need to do is once you have written and you have done with your opinion piece, and once I say it's okay, fine, okay, please share your opinion piece in Google Doc. I think only 1 or 2 students have done so. So thank you very much. So others, I'm still waiting for your opinion piece. Please share it in Google Documents. Please share using Google Document, okay, so that I can insert the comments and you can see it. Okay, so once you have written your opinion piece, what you need to do is you need to write, basically this is telling why you wrote that opinion piece in such a way. So first you need to discuss how you wrote the article. In other words, what is your inspiration? Okay, so basically that's you should know lah, because some of you change angle, you wanted to tweak a bit from the main issue. So what is your inspiration? Please write. Okay, and what is your angle? Okay, so maybe your angle is not about the crisis. Your angle is more of writing about the impact to the society or the recommendation, future recommendation, So your angle can be different. So you can explain your angle. So what are the key points that you mentioned? What are the facts that you shared? Also, you can include that. Okay, and please, you don't have to list down every single facts that you wrote in your opinion piece. Here, you just explain the main points. And then which writing technique you use. So please Google search types of writing techniques. You have a narrative, descriptive, there are so many. So you search on that, and if you have used it, then you write it down. If not, just forget about it. And narrative technique is a must, so you should explain why you use first person narrative technique or second or third. First means when you write in I, we, when you talk about kata ganti nama diri pertama. So the second one is when you say you, and the third one is when you refer to the third person lah. Okay, so you explain why you use the narrative technique. So you need to justify and briefly explain how you wrote your intro, how you wrote your body, and how you wrote your conclusion. Is your conclusion I think I will use the word ending, because you are not concluding, you are ending your opinion piece. Okay, so your opinion piece can be thought-provoking opinion piece. So towards the end, maybe you end with a point to ponder, or maybe you ended it with a quote or humor. So please explain what are the approaches or approach that you use. Okay. Also explain the elements of textual analysis that you have used. Remember, I told you to use at least 2. So please make sure you mention that. And if you have any specific word usage, did you use any kind of harsh words, or if you use particular jargons or what, please explain that. If not, just forget about it. And the tone of your opinion piece is very important, because opinion piece, you want to convey something, you want to convey your opinion. So you may have different tone. Tone doesn't only mean angry or sad or what. Tone can also be that you are asking or requesting the government to act on something. So you are urging, So that also can be a tone. Okay, so basically these are the basic things that you need to do in your analysis on composition. And put it under 6.0. So this will be 6.2. Okay, I hope you get what I mean here.